So welcome to another training session. My name is Oge Chimadikoma. Today we'll be looking at how to produce air freshener, but a special one, mopping air freshener. Air freshener for mopping. Just follow me as I take you through the chemicals needed to produce mopping air freshener. First, this is our fragrance. Our fragrance, we're using 50 ml of fragrance. You can decide to mix fragrance. I mix Ambipur and Swiss here. You can decide to mix 2, 3, or 4 fragrance. You can decide to use one. So I mixed Ambipur and Swiss here. This is 50 ml of fragrance. And this is methanol. This methanol here will be acting as a solvent. I'll be using 100 ml of methanol. This is my Texapon. You know, Texapon is a foaming agent. And because I want this air freshener to be used for mopping, even without adding any other soap, so I'll be using 100 grams of Texapon. And here is our catalyst. It's optional though, but if you want to add, it's just to boost. You can add just about 10 or 20 ml of our catalyst. Then I'll be adding menthol because I always love that icy feel of menthol. I'll be adding just about half teaspoon of my menthol. Then here is color. It's optional water. This water is 900 ml of water. Okay, so here will be my mixing bowl. What do I do first? Step 1, I'll take my Texapon. I put it into my mixing bowl. Remember I said my Texapon is 100 grams. I add my Texapon. Then I add my fragrance, my 50 ml of fragrance. I said I mixed 2 fragrance here. So you can decide to mix 3. You can decide to mix 4. Then you stir. Stir very, very well. With this air freshener, as you're mopping, you don't need to add soap. All you need is get a little water, pour your air freshener into it, and then you start mopping. It will be smelling, oozing out a very nice fragrance and yet cleaning and disinfecting for you. So I've added my methanol. I'll add my water. 900 ml of water. Here's my water. I'll add my water. 900 ml. Then I'll add my menthol. Here's my menthol. It's optional though. If you want to, you can add. And I'll stir. And I'll add my catalyst. I'll just add about 10 ml. About 10 to 20 ml if you want to add. I'll just add about 10 ml. I'm fine. Then I'll stir. And my air freshener is ready. A little bit of my color. Just a little bit of my color. I don't like too much of color. I'm using pink color. And this color is water-based. I'm using water-based color. Texapon. So, here is my mopping air freshener, 1 liter. So, I'll get my 1 liter keg and I'll pour it in. Remember I said I'm making this for home use, but if you can want to sell, you can get whatever container of your choice and then pour in, stick your labels, and then start selling, start making money. There's no excuse. My cover. I'll keep this. It's for my home use. You see, my air freshener. You have it, my mopping air freshener. Hope you've subscribed to my channel because I upload valuable trainings every week. So just subscribe and also turn in the notification bell so that you notify each time I upload free trainings. Behold my mopping air freshener. If you see how foamy it is, I didn't add any soap, just the air freshener and a little bit of water, and it's foamy like this. You see? So you can even decide to add a bit of phenol or IPA because those ones are disinfectant, so that they can also disinfect your floor as you're mopping. You can just do that and you have your mopping air freshener. No need to add your soap. Just pour your air freshener into a little bit of water and you start mopping. See how foamy it is. Even if it is even too much, I'm still going to add water to this one because I don't like too much of foam when I'm mopping. Hope you like this video. If you do, please hit the like button, and also turn on the notification bell so I notify each time I upload new videos. I do that every week. And also please ensure you subscribe to my channel, because this channel is loaded with value. Thank you.